Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Vigrue 230 piece carbon steel rivet nut assortment. You can see we both have metric and SAE sizes here, so it is a mixture. Show you all that you get in this set. Now if you've never seen a rivet nut or don't know what it is, let me show you. These things are amazing. I am so glad I discovered this amazing piece of hardware. So it functions like a rivet. If you've ever used a rivet gun, you stick it through something, you squeeze on the tool, it pulls in the back, and it clamps onto, a piece of steel or whatever you have. Now this functions the exact same way, except as you can see, there are threads on the inside so that then you can put a bolt through it and bolt something using this rivet as a nut, hence a rivet nut. So these come in incredibly handy. I actually bought a tool cart that used rivet nuts to bolt the casters on. If you're in a situation where you can't hold a nut on the back side of whatever you're tightening, or if you can't access the back of this, I used this on the Corvette when putting in the seatbelt brackets because I wasn't able to get any kind of tool on the underside. So from the top I was able to put in a rivet nut, and it worked out perfectly. So for this video we're going to use a smaller one. This is a bolt that came out of a different Vigrue set, which by the way, Vigrue was nice enough to send me these for free so I can make this video. The bolt I bought myself, the rivet nuts they sent to me for free. So as you can see, it just threads right in. The other thing that's nicer than a nut is the amount of threads you're going into. That is definitely more contact than what you get from just a nut. But to use rivet nuts, you need a rivet nut tool, so let's take a look at that. Here is my rivet nut tool. Comes with different mandrels that you put on the end. So this is the M5, which matches the rivet nut and bolt that we are using. Now we need to open up the handles and thread the rivet nut on. Here's the piece of steel we're going to put our rivet nut in. I grabbed a second one just to show you that the hole needs to be big enough that this can go in, but that the shoulder doesn't fall through the hole also. So this hole's going to have to be just a little bit bigger so we can get the rivet nut in there. Alright, fits in the hole, slap it on there. So stick it in, squeeze the handles. There we go. So you can see there's our rivet nut. Backside doesn't look perfect. I should have cleaned up the hole before doing it, but live and learn. You guys get the idea. And now we can stick our bolt in. There it is. Rivet nut installed. Perfect. There you go, guys. That is how a rivet nut works. Thanks for watching.